Quizziz app that I have built. I have used Java Spring for backend and React for frontend. So this is the home page. It asks you whether you are an admin or a candidate. As an admin, you can add a question. For example, Python. I'll say Python what is Python and interpreted language? Say yes, no, but it has interpretation compiled. Not at any stage. I'll say all of the above. I'll just say is the right answer. It gets saved. I'll say admin view scores. It gets all the scores of everyone that has taken the test. These are some scores that I only wrote. So let's say I am a candidate. Then I'll be asked for my name. I'll go with Python only here also. Start test. I'll say number of tools 3. Tuples are immutable. And save. And say yes. Let us save. Back. Admin. View scores. You can see my score. And also go back. This is how it works. I'll explain a little bit about how the code works. So select star from question. There are 2 tables here. One is a question page. It has questions in Python, Java and React. There is another table that stores the score of the test, and in the backend layer there is interface to query the question table, and there is a interface that connects with the score table. This is the service layer. It basically has one API to add question, one API to get a new test. So when a new test is started, questions from that test are fetched. So this gets the new questions. So when test ends, so the questions and the options are returned here. Options is all the chosen options by people who took the test, and they are compared to calculate the score, and the score is returned. So this is to get all the scores. This is the controller layer. It well, basically it has a question, add question, get questions in a language, fetch scores, fetch one individual code for a score for a test. So this is the one that computes the score, and this displays all the scores. This is the backend. About front end, there is a home page that has links to login as admin or a candidate. So the admin page is this. So there are links to add a question and view score. The candidate page in the candidate page you can select a language, enter your name, and you can start a test. When you start a test, you are redirected to the questions page, which actually fetches questions from the language you selected. So this receives the language from the candidate page, and it fetches questions and displays the questions with options, and the selected option is stored, and when the form is submitted, the option, questions, everything is passed to the display score page, and the display score page sends the questions and the option to the backend, which computes the score, and we get the score and store it in score, and we display the score. That is, I think I just didn't show the page to add question. So these question and the options are state variables. This is a form that takes input for, well, basically it takes the language of in which the question is, and the question and the options, we are required to provide the right option, and this when you press save, it submits, and the submit is handled here, it is sent to question API. And the question API saves the question. There is just one page that I have not shown, which is the scores page, and this is pretty simple. Send a get method to scores, get the result in response. It is in score data. The score data is displayed as a table. That is pretty much it. Thank you for watching the video.